So, are you wanting to put up Christmas lights on your house, but you're really struggling with maybe getting those lights up on the second floor? Well, let me show you what I did because there's no way I'm getting on a ladder and getting up into those peaks. Just not going to happen. So, first of all, I do have the Govee lights that are up under the soffit right here. Those are easy to put up if you can reach with a ladder. Getting all the way up there, that's a problem. That's a big problem for me and for a lot of people. So here's what I did. I bought the Govee spotlights, and I've actually got them on the ground here first. I bought 3 sets of these. Each one has 4 lights in it. So those shine up on the house right here. And then I put some on the roof, and that's not so bad to get on a ladder. That's pretty easy, that's manageable. So I've got a set up there. And these shine the light up on the second floor of the house. So I got them all around the perimeter here. I'll show you here. Got them all right there. Got one in the corner over here. So what that does is that shines all the way up there on that peak of the front of my home. So I don't have to get a ladder and go all the way up there because that would just be really difficult. Then I've also got these lights on each side of my garage. So as you can see right there, I got those up. So when you tie it all together, everything is Govee. Everything is controlled in the app. And I can make all of these lights basically match each other. Works really, really well. So for the soffit or the under the eave, I've got the permanent outdoor lights. I can set those to a theme or a color. And then I can match all of these to the same theme or the same color. And I've got these going all the way around the perimeter. So they're all just nice up under there. They look really amazing at night. And they're easily attached. Takes a little bit of work. Got them going down the side as well. So I can match everything. Everything's Govee, and they work really well. You control it all from the app. As you saw at the start of the video, I can have a nice Christmas theme. But now that Christmas is over, it's January, I can actually do different colors. So I'm using like a blue color, and I'll show you that later tonight once it gets dark. So if you are looking for an easier way to get your lights up on the second floor, you can get the Govee outdoor spotlights, and that'll really make it a lot easier on you. I'll put a link to all of these in the description. You can buy these on Amazon with the link in there if you would like. So I'm going to wait for it to get dark, and then I will show you what they look like. Okay, it is now nighttime, and I've got this really cool blue color. And if you look, the spotlights handle the ground level. And then of course I've got the permanent outdoor lights up in the soffit, the eaves right there. And then I've got the spotlights on the second story. And see, they light up the top part of the house. So you get a picture here of blue, bottom, mid, and top. And then I've got these lights, I've got them set on white, just kind of helps brighten up the driveway. And I don't even have them on maximum brightness right now. Okay, and then if I step back here, I've got the 3 spotlights on that section as well. And then there's another light right there. So right now it's January, I've got them on blue. I don't know, it just kind of signifies it's winter time. So right now I've got them on blue for winter time. It's January, just thought it would look good. That's what we got here. But I can also make them all white, so let me show you that. Now I've got everything set to white, and of course you can set your brightness and your color warmth. White looks really, really good. It just looks classy. So I'm really happy with the white. But like I said earlier, it's really difficult to get on these second story up here in these peaks. It's just like impossible for a lot of people. So these spotlights really, really do the trick. Put them wherever you want them and run all your wires. They do a really good job. Well, that's going to do it. You can find links for all of these lights in the description of this video. And if you like this video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe. I do all kinds of how-to videos and just different product reviews and more. And as always, thanks for watching.